Flight VECTIV, the premier trail running model in our VECTIV trail running lineup. This is a responsive and up-tempo shoe built for trail runners of all types with specific input from the North Face athlete team. We feature a full-length 3D carbon fiber plate that comes up around the foot for a touch of added lateral support, and a VECTIV rocker midsole. It gives you great responsiveness and propulsion on the trail. It features a seamless knit upper through the tongue and forefoot. This allows the shoe fabric to expand slightly if you deal with foot swelling in long-distance races. In the midfoot area, we feature a matrix quarter panel. This locks the foot in for great lateral stability on technical terrain. It's super lightweight and it drains incredibly well. The Flight VECTIV features our new surface control outsole compound. This provides you excellent traction on all kinds of trail surfaces. It features 3.5mm lugs, plus minor carve-outs that also balance weight. If you're looking for a firmer and more responsive shoe that can handle trail races of all distances, check out the Flight VECTIV.